It's KendyK all day, bringing you another 30-minute meal. Y'all, this is that good old Sloppy Joe. Sloppy Joe is a 30-minute meal. Y'all don't sleep on it. Sometimes, hey, if you need to get a meal to the table quick and fast, go with some Sloppy Joe. Start with some ground beef or ground turkey. I'm using 80/20 ground chuck, and I've already drained the fat off of that after cooking it till it gets brown. Yeah, you can still have a little pink in it as well because it's going to keep cooking as you finish off your sloppy joe mix. Y'all don't forget to get buns when you go to the store and get that ground beef. Get yourself some buns too, and I also picked up some Lay's. Sam Club has the Lay's on sale for $3.48. Get them before they're gone. I'm also adding some frozen bell pepper and frozen onion just to kick up the depth of the flavors in this good quick meal sloppy joes. I also added a little bit of seasoning salt and of course, you know it, garlic powder and onion powder. I added a little water to deglaze the pan, get all of that goodness off of the bottom of the pan, and plus yep, y'all, you see it. I'm using some Manwich. That is going to be my Sloppy Joe seasoning because everything is in the can. And I like the bold flavor. Do you like the regular Sloppy Joe flavor of Manwich or do you like the bold? I love the bold flavor. It to me, it just has the exact flavor that I remember from my childhood. Because Sloppy Joe wasn't that good, but now, baby, I always keep you a can or two of Sloppy Joe in the pantry and keep some ground beef or ground turkey in your freezer. So yeah, you just add that can of sloppy joe. Again, I added just a little taste of water to my pan. And then all you gotta do is heat it. It just has to heat up, friends, and it is done. Yeah, from your skillet to the table in 30 minutes or less. Let's focus on the less because y'all, after this week, yeah, we just got to get something to the table and be done. Yeah, I'm just heating this through, letting this get good and hot and getting my buns out. My side is going to be chips. I was going to make a salad, but I was trying to do too much. I'm giving myself some grace, and that grace is going to be, I'm going to have some potato chips to go with my sloppy joe because it's a winning combination. You feel me? Yeah, it's been one of those weeks, friends. Yeah, it's one of those weeks. So as we finish this 30-minute meal up of sloppy joes made with Manwich, yep, go ahead and hit that like button for me. Y'all drop that in those comments. Let me know what flavor of Manwich you like. You like the regular flavor Manwich or the bold flavor? When was the last time you had sloppy joe? See, I just gave you a good idea. It's a 30-minute meal for children and adults, right? Give yourself some grace. I'm giving myself a whole lot of grace with this weekend. Yeah. So here it goes. Here's the plating, y'all. Sloppy Joe on a good fresh bun. Yeah. Yeah. That's all I got, y'all. Goodbye for now. Thanks for rocking with me. Y'all stay safe.